Tragic news coming in from Mangalore. A woman has died due to a pothole in Mangalore. The woman named Madhavi was working at a private hospital. In fact, she died after a truck ran over her yesterday in Kulur. In fact, the woman is said to have driven into a pothole-laden road and then lost control and fell down. A truck that was coming from behind ran over. So, very tragic news there. Locals say this road has remained in poor condition and has led to frequent accidents, but complaints to officials have fallen on deaf ears. In fact, last month, another man was injured after he fell down from bike due to potholes. We're joined by Deepak on this. Deepak, very tragic incident, of course. Once again, this highlights civic apathy. But before we go to Deepak, let's get you some reactions on the story.
सुबह 8:30 बजे एक लड़की ने स्कूटर में सूरतकल से मंगलूर जा रही थी। वो इधर बहुत बड़ा खड्डा हुआ था। वो खड्डा को वो अवॉइड करने वजह से लेफ्ट गिर गया। स्कूटर लेफ्ट गया, राइट में वो लेडी गिर गया। उसके ऊपर वो मछली ट्रांसफर करने वाला लॉरी उसके ऊपर चढ़ के कम से कम 25 फीट लेके गया। वो हमारा आँख से देख नहीं सकते, ऐसा सिचुएशन में था। एनएच ऑफिसर लोग एकदम वो लोग काम नहीं करता है। उनका जो काम है वो सब छोड़ के बाकी पूरा करता है। इसीलिए उनको इधर से हटाना गया, नहीं तो वो पब्लिक का पैसा खा के पे करते, क्योंकि ये 5वां डेथ है।
Let's go straight across to Deepak on this. Deepak, a pothole death in Mangalore. A 44-year-old woman has died. Civic apathy once again. Take us through the details as to how this accident happened and what are some of the demands of the residents there. We believe they've been complaining about these potholes and had been seeking urgent repairs.
Well, clearly, when you listen to the residents there, it's a summary of a sad tale of negligence, of civic apathy that time and again is ignored in the state of Karnataka and different parts of the country as well. The condition of that particular stretch of the road, this is the National Highway 66, this is in Kulur where this accident has taken place. We've accessed 2 CCTV footages and it shows that the condition has remained the same for over a month now and probably much longer. On the 13th of August, a man there drives straight into a pothole. You can see him losing control. As soon as he lands on it, falls down. He was seriously injured. Madhavi, who was working at a private hospital, was not so lucky. Yesterday, when she drove over this particular stretch of the road, she falls down and unfortunately for her, there's a truck coming up behind and runs over her, killing her on the spot. Now, who is to blame here? Because if this road was all right, there would not have been a situation where she would have fallen off the bike. The truck wouldn't have run over her, so her life would have been saved. But, because the residents have been saying that they have been time and again pointing this out, but nobody has been coming to fix this problem, and it's been a perennial issue. And it's not just this stretch of the road. Different parts of Mangalore have had issues pertaining to potholes, but hasn't not been fixed in a timely manner. Right now, the police have registered an FIR. The FIR has been registered against the truck driver and also against the NHAI officials for negligence. We'll really have to see whether strict action will be taken against these erring officials, because it's only then probably that we will see some amount of accountability in such cases.
Absolutely. Thank you, Deepak, for getting us all of those details. Of course, potholes have been a perennial issue, not just in Bangalore, but across several metropolitan cities and have been claiming lives of hundreds of people every year.